How small apartment investors can benefit from staying updated on market trends. Brainstorm potential benefits of staying updated on market trends. Enhanced decision-making. With insights into market trends, investors can make strategic choices on property location, tenant demographics, and timing for acquisitions or sales. Higher return potential. Identifying growing submarkets, such as areas with increasing rental demand, provides opportunities for value appreciation and higher rental income. Early identification of risks. Tracking macroeconomic indicators like interest rates, employment growth, and inflation allows investors to anticipate potential downturns and proactively manage portfolio risks. Improved property management. Understanding shifts in tenant preferences, such as demand for specific amenities or unit types, enables investors to tailor property upgrades to meet current market needs. Discuss how market trends analysis can influence investment strategies. Timing acquisitions and sales. Investors can time purchases and sales based on market cycles to maximize profits. For example, buying in an emerging neighborhood before prices surge or selling during a peak market can optimize returns. Analyzing trends in tenant demographics and amenities allows investors to make targeted property upgrades, improving tenant satisfaction and retention. Market analysis helps investors identify high-demand areas with low vacancy rates, supporting decisions to expand portfolios in stable or growth-oriented markets. Market research reveals underperforming or high-risk markets, guiding investors in diversifying portfolios across regions or property types to balance risk. Develop a regular market analysis routine. Monthly or quarterly market reports. Review local and national market reports from real estate firms or data sources to stay informed on rental trends, cap rates, and vacancy levels. Annual market projections use market forecasts to plan long-term strategies, including acquisition targets, pricing strategies, and contingency planning. Engage with local real estate networks. Attend industry events, network with local professionals, and subscribe to industry publications to access first-hand insights on emerging trends. Utilize key market data sources and tools. Online real estate platforms, websites like Zillow, CoStar, or RealPage provide access to market data, rental rates, and transaction history. Government and economic data access resources such as the U. Property management software. Use tools that provide rental data analysis, occupancy rates, and tenant feedback, helping investors monitor on-site trends and performance. Example: using market trends to identify high-growth neighborhoods. Consider an investor interested in purchasing an apartment building. By analyzing market data, they identify a neighborhood with rising rental rates and low vacancy rates, indicating high demand, population growth driven by new jobs in a nearby technology park, favorable local regulations and tax incentives for rental property owners. Based on this market analysis, the investor decides to acquire a property in this neighborhood, anticipating continued demand, growth, and rent increases that will support long-term appreciation and income. Summary: staying updated on market trends is vital for apartment investors who aim to make informed investment decisions and optimize returns. By understanding local demographics, supply-demand dynamics, and economic indicators, investors can identify emerging opportunities, mitigate risks, and strategically time investments. Regular analysis of market trends supports flexible and data-driven investment strategies, enabling small apartment investors to maximize returns and build a resilient, growth-oriented portfolio.